Hello and welcome. Welcome. I am outside and I have here a thing, that I would have got years ago and I kind of forgot about. It is a retrovision television monitor thing, and it is filthy. Normally, I would do a magic eraser on such a thing, but I think today, oh no wait, I did test this, it still does work. I think today I'm going to go for a little spray cleanser for the first round, because this is filthy. Filthy. Ooh. And it may be that this is not going to do a whole bunch for some of this, and it may be, ooh. Oh, I think I need to get the goo gone. Really, this is just taking off slime. Slime! Is that going to hang on the end of the table? No, it will not. Okay. There is much slime to be had here. Ugh. Yuck. Yuck. I'm sure other things will be helpful at some point. Ugh. Yuck. And of course, if it didn't work, I wouldn't be bothered. I would probably put this out at the street corner and let somebody run away with it. There. Oh. So what it is, it's basically a monitor, and it has a DVD player in it. And the DVD player works. Actually had a movie in it. But it is touch and go about getting it to open and close. I did get it open, and closing is not the trouble, opening is the trouble. I did have to kind of take a screwdriver and convince it, and I mean, I would hate to ruin the thing because of that door thing, but also the movie that was in it, it's a good movie, I like it. It's called My Big Fat Greek Wedding, and it's very funny. Hang on. If only I had some Windex, maybe this would do better. And if you haven't seen the movie, you won't get that. But if you have, you'll get that. Ugh. Oh yeah. Anyway, some of this is good to spray on. Other times, it's good to spray. I'm using napkins. Sometimes it's good to spray on a napkin, not on the thing, because you don't want the liquid to run down inside. Mind you, I won't plug this in again for maybe a day or so, in case I do get something inside. Ugh. Yuck. Anyway, so here we have old tube technology. Now, keep in mind, this thing is supposed to replicate, I think it was called a Praktika. And I had this out long ago in the TV world. At least I think that was the name of it. Where you would have the tube kind of separate. And I think you could aim it kind of like this. Oh, yeah. Or the filth is so bad on some of this that it literally pretty much ripped the paper towel napkin thing apart before you can get much done. It does. And there is residue. Like even where I've cleaned stuff, I can see it's still got stuff lingering. Ugh. Yuck. And with a lot of things like this, of course, it's good to be able to spray something on and let it kind of soak in a bit. But mind you, you don't want it, I mean, you want it to soak in, but you don't want it to soak in. Let's see if I can turn this around. Oh, there we go. Ooh. I'm afraid. I'm afraid to spray it. Well, I'm not afraid to spray it there. Because there's no holes there. But up above, where there's a lot of filth, there are vents and things. And I really don't want to get that inside. So, I'll keep wiping. And of course, the other thing that happens with things like this is gravity. Move stuff down. Ooh, but it is yuck. It is thick on the top. Actually, let me see here. Ugh. Okay, I'm going to spray some on the top, keeping it away from the vents. I have a paper towel here thing. And as it tries to run to the vent, I rub it off. And then I will rub some more. Oh, God. There is so much filth to be had. So much filth. But it's coming slowly. Ugh. Eventually, though, it will be finished off with the magic eraser. So much filth. Anyway, as for other features that this has, is in the back. Ooh, the back is mighty dirty too. Ooh. In the back, lots of vents here. It has lots of stuff to be cleaned. It has AV in, AV out, DVD something, DVD output. So it may be that if I was so inclined, I could connect this to a bigger TV and use it as a DVD player. Not that that is absolutely essential, because the picture's quite fine. It just, in these days, it's hard to imagine that for a long time you really survived quite fine and dandy with televisions and other things that had, oh dear, fairly small monitors. I believe my recording device has slipped. I'm just thankful that it didn't fall down. I wonder how long ago that happened. I thought I looked over here fairly recently. I think it was okay. Yeah, I've got this octopus thing clamped very tightly to a chair. Anyway, okay, well, you would have missed some of that. All right, let's flip this around. Oh, and have a look. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Lots more cleaning to do. Lots more. But compared to what it was, it's doing quite fine. Maybe this was one of the things that in the last gasp of the picture tubes, somebody said, hey, we've got these things. Let's make something funky doodle with it. I don't know when this was made. There is, of course, a price sticker on this because I would have got it from a thrift store. So at some point I will need to use some Goo Gone. I will. Ugh. Ugh. Filth. Grossness. And it's hard to get my fingers in here. Somewhat. It is somewhat difficult. But it is necessary. So perhaps tomorrow or so, I'll fire this up. Maybe I'll take it up to the box room and I'll hook up SpongeBob to it. See how that goes. It should work. Well, assuming the inputs are working. Certainly the DVD player is working. Oh. Anyway, a magic eraser will help. There's also some chrome stuff on here that is also pretty filthy. And is it really chrome? Probably not. Probably just plastic. But once you start cleaning something, you might as well carry on, because if you leave something ugly on it, it shows up a lot more than if the whole thing is filthy. All right. So we're getting there. So the name on this thing is Retrovision. I think it was, excuse me, like an imitation Praktica. That's what I think it was. Now, I'm not going to leave this out here tonight. I don't believe there's going to be any rain. But I certainly wouldn't want to go to all this tidying trouble and then have it get rained on and ruined. I would not. So, I will spray. Just trying to get some of this fake imitation chrome tied it up a bit. Once again, it's hard to get between these things. But this, I mean, I have monitors that go with the Commodore 64. This might be an interesting change. Ugh. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Anyway, so I think I can let this dry. Maybe another swipe under there. I think I saw a little dust hanging on it. I can let this dry. And put it somewhere safe. And then tomorrow, maybe I'll go at it with a magic eraser. Maybe, oh, and Goo Gone. There's a sticker right there. So anyway, this would be a thrift store find from some years ago that I pretty much forgot about. The monitor does. Wait for it. I think it does. Hang on. It did. The monitor swivels. And I believe it also... Oh, well, no. Okay, it just goes back and forth a little bit. It does not go up and down from what I can tell, and I'm not in a mood to be forcing it. Alright. So here it is. A magical thrift store special from years ago that I forgot all about. But it does work. So stay tuned. Maybe we'll... just a second. Maybe we'll see it in the box room soon enough. It is just endless, the stuff I see on it. It is endless. But maybe the magic eraser will help. And my hands are now filthy. And they're sticky. And such. Alright, so thanks for being here. As they say when it comes to thrifting, you could spend more. But why? Why do it? Anyway, thanks for being here. Sorry about the camera going a little off kilter for a while there, but oh well. Anyway, from the great outdoors, David Bradley signing off. Bye for now.